Billy flows and Charlie's shown. Come on, let's put some up our nose. That is what he says to me every single time we meet. Out pops the credit card to rack 'em up. Let's have it large, and talks about the good old days, the crack we had, how things ain't changed at all. I can't save ya, I can't make ya, I won't bring you down. I won't tell ya you're a loser, you should know by now. Things have changed, they're not the same. It didn't have to be this way, but you stole from your family and dropped all your friends to rummage round in rubbish bins. You're needing a fix to get through the day. Your mind is fucked, you've blown it away. Stop asking questions, have nothing to say. You're not making sense, so I'm walking away from you. I can't save ya, I can't make ya, I won't bring you down. A straight line was all you needed to be shown. When time goes by, no one told you. To me, you see, it's no big deal, but I know exactly how you feel. You sat down lonely on the ground, and as you turned no one made a sound. You whispered words into my ears, but all those words just disappeared like you.